everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare watermelon milkshake. Before that, like, share and subscribe the video. This we need watermelon, remove the seeds and cut it into small pieces. Milk and sugar. Transfer the melons into an empty jar. Consuming watermelon juice helps to reduce body heat and improves your skin complexion. Add some milk and sugar. Use blender or mixie to get a fine smoothie. Now the juices are ready. Garnish with frozen watermelons. And soaked basil seeds. Thanks for watching.